Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important national parks, important international boundary lines. Let's start with quiz. A doctor has been conferred the Order of Rising Sun by the Japan government. He belongs to which state? Answer: Manipur. His name is Tangzam Dabali Singh. Ayushman Bharat Divas celebrated across the country every year on celebrated on 30th April. Keep your health, save your wealth. Ayushman Bharat. The International Cricket Council has banned Deepak Agarwal from all cricket for how many years for breaching the ICC anti-corruption code? ICC banned Deepak Agarwal for 2 years from all cricket. When is the International Workers' Day celebrated every year? Celebrated on 1st May. The popular television show Ramayan has registered a record-breaking viewership and created a world record when dash million people watched the show in a single day. 77 million people watched in a single day. Who launched आयु रक्षा कोरोना से जंग दिल्ली पुलिस के संग? Answer: S.N. Srivastava. He is Delhi Police Commissioner. S.N. Srivastava launched Ayu Raksha. It's a joint initiative of Delhi Police and All India Institute of Ayurveda. In April 2020, which bank has launched a loan scheme Vikas Abhaya? Answer: Karnataka Vikasa Gramin Bank. KVGP launched loan scheme Vikas Abhaya for COVID-19 affected micro, small, medium enterprises. Which state has arranged a special train for the movement of migrant workers? Telangana government. Telangana government arranged this special train for migrant workers. Which state has topped in the list of states providing employment to unskilled laborers under MGNREGA? Answer: Chhattisgarh government. Which former banker has been named as an advisor to the digital payment app Google Pay? Answer: Sika Sharma. Sika Sharma, former Axis Bank CEO. Now she is advisor to Google Pay. Who has been named as India's new ambassador to Brazil? Answer: Suresh K. Reddy. He is IFS officer of 1991 batch. Ajay Bisaria is new ambassador to Canada. Vinay Mohan Quatra, new ambassador to Nepal. Who has become the first Indian to get nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award from the Asia Oceania zone? Answer: Sania Mirza. She is the first Indian to get nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award from Asia. Which country will host the RIMPAC 2020 world's largest maritime exercise? Answer: United States. United States will host the RIMPAC 2020. This is world's largest maritime exercise. Which state government has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana to boost immune system of people to fight COVID-19? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh also launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana. Chuni Goswami, who passed away at the age of 82, was a famous footballer and cricketer also. He is a legendary footballer, died in Kolkata. He also awarded Mohan Bhagat Award in 2005. Bangla government already conferred with highest civilian award Banga Vibhushan in 2013. He was also captain of Bengal Ranji cricket. He is a gold medal winning in football team Jakarta Asiad held in 1962. That's all today's current affairs. Let's move to the static GK. Important national parks, state Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh National Park, Madhav National Park, Kanha National Park, Panna National Park, Pinch National Park, Sanjay National Park, Satpura National Park, One Vihar National Park, Mandla Plant Fossils National Park. Maharashtra State, Chandoli National Park, Navegaon National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Tadoba National Park, Gugamal National Park. We will discuss some important international boundary lines. 17th parallel, North Vietnam and South Vietnam. 38th parallel, North Korea and South Korea. 49th parallel, in between USA and Canada. Blue line in between Israel and Lebanon. Purple line in between Israel and Syria. Green line in between Israel and its neighbors, Egypt, Jordan, Lebanon and Syria. Curzon line is in between Russia and Poland. 31st parallel north in between Iraq and Iran. 20th parallel north in between Libya and Sudan. 22nd parallel north in between Egypt and Sudan. That's all for today's current affairs and GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.